Okay, as you saw in the last video, how music was used in different aspects for this same song, right? So we had this first song, again, very, like I said, very sad, very depressing, but used in a different context with this video here, Breaking Madden, that was made back in whenever, what's the date? Let's put it here. We have 2014 when the Seahawks and the Broncos went to the Super Bowl. And this was a prediction of what would happen. And as you can see, all he did was just, remove all the stats for the Broncos and raise all the stats for the Seahawks. And it was done in a humorous way, right? They had all of these different scenarios and how the Seahawks just destroyed the Broncos here. And again, this is just a prediction. Later on, this is exactly kind of what happened, of course. We know that now. But the thing that I wanted to point out here the most is how he used these images here to really make that argument that this was going to happen. But not only the images, the music, right? And again, the music by itself is sad. It's very much of a downer. But in this context, using it with this video here, it made the humor, right? It really helped the humor.
All twisted metal stretching upwards.
That's crazy, right? Using a song like this, a song that it's meant to be, very sad, very depressing, very whatever, but using it in this context to really help the humor, to really set it up here, right? To show how badly the Broncos were going to be destroyed by the Seahawks. And you see this throughout the video, right? So that's why music is important. Don't ever forget music and ads because they really help with making the argument even clearer. And there's several other commercials I have here. I don't think I'm going to go through them all because I don't want to make the videos have already been a little long. Here we have a Kevin Hart commercial, The First Date, a Hyundai one, and then it's just basically another one, Bites the Dust, as you can hear in the background here. And Kevin Hart's character follows this kid around with Kevin Hart's supposed daughter, and he keeps intimidating him throughout. Either way, like I said, music is used really well for commercials and for other things like that, to make an emotional appeal. One thing that I'm going to want you guys to do is, and this is something that is already online on Canvas, so let's go to that real quick, is if, of course, you go to my lessons, and after that you'll see discussions here. One of the discussions that you'll have to see and have to do is rhetoric around the web, along with the other ones, of course. But here, this one ties in directly to the lesson I've gave to you already here for this week. Basically, what I want you to do is just find something rhetorical. And I already gave you plenty of examples through this lesson, a commercial, a one-page ad, a music video, a song, whatever. And I want you to write a paragraph about it. How is it rhetorical specifically, right? How does it use ethos, logos, pathos, charis, or decorum? So please read through this. Do this after you're done with my lesson here, and you should be good to go on this part, of course. I will have a video that goes over everything you'll have to do for this first week, but for now, after you watch this lesson, go here and do this small activity so you understand how rhetoric works and why it's important and why I use this to kind of further help you understand that. Then after that's done, of course, read the main assignment, which I will go over in more detail in another different video. All right? Okay, well, let's call that good for now. Thanks for watching my first 3 lessons. I guess I'll see you on my next lesson.